Thank you very much. This is the remarkable excursion and remarkable day after a long gap due to the COVID-19. We have to visit 3 or 4 places. We know that this is actually the Eastern Himalayan belt is a big hotspot in India. We know that 4 hotspots till now. Initially 2 hotspots, now it is 4 hotspots. Now we are the lucky enough with my 75 students, my research scholars are second semesters, and my special paper, angiosperm taxonomy and molecular systematics. 6 students. Firstly, Lava, Lolegaon, Kalimpong, Darjeeling, Mirik, and adjoining areas back. We have covered up entire places from cryptogams to phanerogams. We know that this place basically the ample vegetation of cryptogams like liverwort, hornwort and mosses, and few gymnosperms and angiosperms. We have visited also Lloyd Botanical Garden. We know that there are maximum plants collected from the world in different places and grow inside the garden, and also have small herbarium. We have also visited. So first of all, what is the significance of this excursion? First of all, I would like to thank you and our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Shivaji Potim Basu, and also the Registrar Dr. Jayanta Kishore Nandi for their kind cooperation and approval for my dream excursion. Why it is dream? Because after a long gap due to COVID, I have already told, we are in the different geographical areas. In our syllabus, phytogeography as a chapter, and phytogeography, we know that Professor D. Chatterjee classified 9 zones, biozones in the India. And we have to confine only one zone, that is Eastern Himalayan belt and adjoining areas. And our student enriched our excursion from cryptogams to phanerogams. And one algae is a significant algae, that is Tentifolia, belonging to the family Chlorophyceae. Basically, Chlorophyceae algae are green algae, but only one exception, that is Tentifolia, are epiphytic conditions and have orange in color due to pigmentation, carotenoid pigment, and it is highly antioxidant. And these another species of Tentifolia are in mangrove areas. So, being a professor of botany and the taxonomy and field supervisor with my 5 research scholars like Dhiman Mondol, Anup Kumar Bhuiya, Ayan Kumar Noskor, and our beloved Sheikh Rasidul Islam. Sheikh Rasidul Islam working only brophytes areas. That's why his visits also important on the Eastern Himalayan belt. And our rest of the, and my another lady Scott, my research scholar, Orpita Maiti, is also a good researcher. But basically entire team and our excursion travel agent, the Path Adventure group from Raiganj, mainly sole responsible Dhiman Mondol. He is the new in my laboratory, and after came to my laboratory, there are there are several changes in my laboratory, not only in our in situ, also in the research aptitude. And his help in our excursion is the enormous help. So I would like to thank entire group of research scholars and my student special paper and also second semester for a grand success of my excursion. It is basically from my tenure from 1997 to till now 2022. It is one of the best excursion in my teaching life. So thanks to entire community for grand success. Thank you.
My name is Lolegaon, Vidyasagar University, Department of Botany and Forestry. Our excursion is very good, and we are very enjoying this excursion with our respected chef, Dr. Amal Kumar Mondol, and my senior brother and my colleagues, my friends also. Thank you.
Vidyasagar University, MSc second semester, and Department of Botany and Forestry. Excursion in Darjeeling, Lava, with our respected sir, Department of Botany, Professor Amal Kumar Mondol, with very helpful in our excursion in Darjeeling, and I am my friends and senior brothers. We are very enjoy this excursion field. Thank you.
I am studying from Vidyasagar University, Department of Botany and Forestry. I am and our friends and teachers and elder brothers and my teachers visit a excursion, a field report in Darjeeling, Lava and Lolegaon. The excursion is so very good in my life. This is my first excursion because the BSc times in COVID period, so I do not study excursion period. I thank you all elder brothers and my respected teachers. Thanks.
Vidyasagar University, Botany and Forestry Department. I thank to my teacher, Professor Amal Kumar Mondol, to give me the chance to come so close to nature by the excursion. The excursion is very good and helpful to me, and it is very supportive to our study and field work. In this by this excursion, I am so compactly close to nature, and it gives me a lot chance to know new species and new plant to enrich my knowledge. Thank you. The experience is so good, and they are so.
What good, what not good? Both কোনটা ভালো হয়েছে কোনটা খারাপ হয়েছে সবগুলো ফ্রি বলো কোনো অসুবিধা নেই
But in first day, the journey is very tough, and all good.
Okay, thank you.
My name is Ridhibodu from Vidyasagar University, Department of Botany and Forestry. I study in second sem of Botany and Forestry. After the COVID situation, I first started my excursion with our full department and research scholar and seniors. This excursion is very good and also helped me to encourage my knowledge. Thank you.
Chakraborty, I am from Department of Botany, Vidyasagar University. As we know that for the knowledge of botany, the field visit is very important. So our respected sir and our respected scholar, elder brother and our friend came here for enjoying the fathomless beauty of the nature, and we are already enjoying the botanical garden, Hooker Road, and after the long COVID period, it is very difficult for us and for our teacher. We are very happy to enjoying this, and our experience is very good and the relationship between the student and teacher that are made in this way, it is very good also. And our experience about our travel agency is also very good. Thank you.
Good morning, I am Subhana Bhattabai. I am from Vidyasagar University, Botany Department, Botany and Forestry Department, second semester. Today I am here at Lolegaon Botanic Garden with our sir, Professor Amal Kumar Mondol, who is supervising us, and this trip is so tremendous because of sir and also our scholar, research scholar Dada, especially my mentor Dhimanda. He is so cooperative and helped us a lot, and this tour is not possible without sir's cooperation and guidance. And lastly, I want to say that visit again with this team. This team member is so cooperative for me.
I am Saini Bai, is currently studying in MSc second sem from Vidyasagar University, Department of Botany and Forestry. We are here at Darjeeling with our respected professor, Dr. Amal Kumar Mondol, for our, as per syllabus, educational tour with our scholars, brothers and seniors. I am very thankful to our professor because he bring us such a beautiful place and demonstrated every possible plants, which include angiosperm, gymnosperm, bryophyte, pteridophytes, and as well as algae. So I am very thankful, and I am very much thankful to our leader, because he is very helpful, and he also demonstrated us various plants during the travel path. So I am very thankful, and I would like to say I am very encouraged by this tour because this widens our knowledge very much, and as sir instructed previously, we only photographed every plant and documented their names for our future work. Yes, with Professor Amal Kumar sir again, it is my desire, and I would like say that this entire travel is worth every tiredness is just gone by these plants and nature beauty, everything just gone away. I am very much thankful to sir.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you.
Chowdhury. I am studying at Vidyasagar University, Midnapur. I am from Department of Botany and Forestry, and we are here to travel the place Darjeeling and Lolegaon. As it is mentioned in our syllabus, we organized the tour after the COVID situation, and it is very tough to organize the situation, but I am very thankful to our respected sir, Professor Amal Kumar Mondol, and also the travel agency, Path Agency, that they organized this tour so much well, and we have done a lot of knowledge and by the educational tour. And our respected sir, Professor Amal Kumar Mondol, also help us and cooperate us in every situation, in every moment with us, and they help to identify the angiosperms, gymnosperms also fungi. They encourage us hold the tour, and this widens our knowledge of botany, and the importance of the excursion of botany is very much to identify the plant and to come to the nature. So it is an important tour for us, and after COVID situation, it is also very cheerful moment for us to come here and visit this place. And I am also thankful to our respected leaders of our teams, our senior scholars, our seniors also, and our classmates to help us in every moments of situations. And as sir mentioned previously, Dr. Jan said this, the place is title of angiosperm, and it is dreams comes true that we visited this place in our life, and it is a lifetime achievement for us. So I am again thankful to sir, and I want to come again with sir. So thank you everyone.
Thank you.
Good morning. Good morning, Professor Ekimondol sir. Good morning, my research colleague and my classmate and my seniors. I am Mitali Hajra. I am a student of Botany and Forestry Department of Vidyasagar University. I have gained many new information about lower group of plant and higher group of plant. I have been really enjoy this trip. I would like to come again to this trip with my Professor Ekimondol sir. My Professor Ekimondol sir described details about angiosperm, gymnosperm, and also algae. Thank you, my Professor Ekimondol sir, and my mentor. And my research scholars and my classmates and seniors. Thank you.
Myself, Gopinath, and I study in Vidyasagar University, Botany and Forestry series. Today we visit the Royal Botanical Garden, Darjeeling. So we see that there is a very type of species. We see that, and there is the not only bryophytes and angiosperm and pteridophyte, we all see that, and there is the 4 biodiversity hotspot in India: Western Ghat, Eastern Himalaya, Indo-Baramal and Sundaland. And we all present that in the Indo-Eastern Himalaya is the biodiversity region. Lastly, I thankful our honorable sir, Dr. Amal Kumar Mondol, save the golden opportunity, and I will thankful the guider to help us.
I am Kuma Ghorai. I am a student of Vidyasagar University, MSc in Botany, 2nd sem. I want to say my feeling about this excursion. This was my second field visit, Lava, Lolegaon, Mirik, Darjeeling. This feeling was very great. I have knew many wild and mountain fishes with the help of our respected adorable sir, Professor Amal Kumar Mondol. And we are all fit and okay, fine. All credit goes to our senior Dada and Didi and our lady escort Orpita Maiti. I want visit this place many and much time again. This was not a simple tour, it was an excursion that learned the educational purpose. Thank you. Kritika Das from Department of Botany and Forestry. I am in 2nd semester Vidyasagar University. We started our journey on 11th of May. First of all, I want to thank our Professor Dr. Amal Kumar Mondol. Without him, we can't think about this golden opportunity. Without our senior and our research scholar, this excursion can't be fulfilled. So we want to thank them also. We saw many angiosperms. Not only angiosperms, we also see gymnosperm, bryophytes and pteridophytes and algae also.
Hello everyone, I am Indika Bairi from Department of Botany and Forestry from Vidyasagar University. I am very much thankful to our Professor Amal Kumar Mondol and our scholar brother and sister and my seniors, because this trip is obviously very much beneficial for my educational life, and to be a true botanist, this is the practical knowledge is also equally important with the theoretical knowledge, and through this trip sir introduced us with so many plants whenever possible, and that is so beneficial for identifying any plants. And I am also want to mention that this is very helpful for my mental health after 1.5 years of terrific lockdown, and I regained my interest on this subject. So I am very much thankful for this excursion. Thank you.
Okay. My name is Jayant Mandal. Hi, my name is Jayant Mandal. This place present my respected sir, Professor Amal Kumar Mandal, my research scholar, elder brothers, special paper elder brothers, and my colleague. Name is Jayant Mandal, second semester, Department of Botany and Forestry, Vidyasagar University. We come to educational excursion and to Labha, Lolegaon, Kurseong, Kalimpong, Darjeeling. Educational excursion is the most important part of education. We found the vegetation of the place, some plants. Sir give us the education. Sir give us huge knowledge about the bryophyte, pteridophyte, gymnosperm, and mostly angiosperm. But educational excursion, not education purpose, we enjoy fully. So I thankful my respected sir, Professor Amal Kumar Mandal, my research scholar elder brothers, and special paper elder brothers, sister, and my colleague. Thank you.
Okay, nice.
Hello, I am from Vidyasagar University, Department of Botany and Forestry. We are here with our respected teacher and professor, Dr. Amal Kumar Mandal, and our travel agencies and research scholar. I learned lots of mountain plants, their names and importance. It is all possible because of our respected professor, Dr. Amal Kumar. We see 2 living fossils, Ginkgo biloba and Metasequoia. And our professor explained about this species so nicely. So thank you so much, sir.
Okay.
Algonishi. I am the student of second semester MSc in Botany, Department of Botany of Vidyasagar University. We came to Labha, Lolegaon, and Darjeeling for our educational excursion. We all know that excursion is the most important part of the education. Thankful to our respected sir, research scholar, and our classmates to cooperate me. Our sir, respected sir, Professor Amal Kumar Mandal, helped us to give us a huge amount of knowledge about bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperm, and mostly angiosperms. We not only we enriched our knowledge, but we also enjoyed this tour. Personally, I want this type of excursion. Thank you.
Life is a journey and it goes on. After this COVID situation, we got a very nice experience about the excursion, and for me it was a huge experience for me. Our respected sir, Dr. Amal Kumar Mandal, and with the help of all the researchers and also the seniors and also my friends, which I especially gained many knowledges about the biodiversity of this area. And the knowledge that I gained from this excursion will help me for my future and also for my studies. And all the time I spent with my all the teammates and also my sir and also the research scholars and also our mentor also, who helped us, our group, very nicely and very cooperatively. They helped me for like experiencing the knowledges, and like all the travel agencies also, I want to thank them that they helped us for this. Like it's a great hectic situation for us all, but then also we experienced and enjoyed a lot about this, and thank you.
Okay.
My name is Tiarani C. I started that Vidyasagar University second semester student. My department name is Botany and Forestry. This is the first tour of my life, and I had no idea and any kind of that tour. We coming in here, Lava, Lolegaon, Darjeeling, Kalimpong, Royal Garden of the excursion area. Here it is found bryophyte, angiosperm, gymnosperm, fungi, etc. Our respected Sir Professor Amal Kumar Mondal and his team.
Okay, nice.
I am a student of the Vidyasagar University, Department of Botany, Botany and Forestry, second semester. At first I thank my respected teacher, Professor Amal Kumar Mondal, and research scholar. In this tour is memorable journey and new plant and gain important information from the sir. Thank you.
Amita Das, student of Vidyasagar of University, Department of Botany and Forestry, second semester student. This is the first tour of my life. I have no idea any kind of tour. Here I got to know a lot of new trees and learn about them, and had to do a lot of fun with everyone. And this is possible only for our respected teacher Amal Kumar Mondal sir and seniors and PhD scholars. So thanks to everyone, and especially thanks to Amal sir. Thank you. Silpa Guya. I studied at Vidyasagar University, Department of Botany and Forestry, second semester student. I am overwhelmed to come here. This is my first tour. I did not know about any kind of tour. I am overwhelmed to come here. The trees that I have seen in the picture, that have been in the field, that our respected teacher Professor Amal Kumar Mondal and scholar and PhD, and also thankful my group leader, and also we find it bryophyte, pteridophyte, angiosperm, and especially Selaginella stem in origin. That's also grateful, and I have lot of fun with everyone and gained a lot of knowledge. That's so grateful. So I am grateful, and thank you so much our honorable teacher Professor Amal Kumar Mondal. So thank you everyone.
Currently I am studying at Vidyasagar University, Department of Botany and Forestry. After this COVID situation, it is our first excursional tour with our Professor Dr. Amal Kumar Mondal and our seniors, scholars and classmates. We are not capable to identify many species. Our sir help us to describe many angiosperm, gymnosperm, pteridophyte, bryophyte, also algae. We don't collection any plant, only we take photograph for our documentary. Thank you.
Botany second semester, Vidyasagar University. After lockdown, it was a great achievement for us. This excursion. In this excursion, there were 11th May to 16th May. It was 5-day schedule, and we visit many places like Lava, Lolegaon, Kurseong, Darjeeling. In Darjeeling, we visit Lloyd Botanical Garden, Hooker Road, and now we are in Mirik. Actually, this place is the heaven of bryophyte and pteridophyte. Here we found the diversity of plant, but we only take photograph without disturbing any plant, because only take photograph for our future documentation. And I especially thanks to our professor, our beloved professor, Professor Amol Kumar Mondol, and our research scholar and senior. So thank you.
I am Somnath Seth from Vidyasagar University, student of MSc second semester in Botany and Forestry department. We come to Lava, Lolegaon and Darjeeling from our educational excursion. Excursion is the most important things, especially in my subject Botany. We enrich our knowledge for about these places of our respected sir, Professor Amol Kumar Mondol. So I am very thankful for our respected sir, research scholar and tour guiders. Thank you.
Hello, good afternoon to all. I am Gauri Pahan and student of second semester MSc Department of Botany and Forestry at Vidyasagar University. Now I am at Mirik for Mondal sir and thank you our research scholars and our friends. We are very enjoyed this excursion, and we are came Lava, Lolegaon, Darjeeling and Kalimpong, etc. Thank you.
Hello, good afternoon all. Myself Pantaras. I started Vidyasagar University. Vidyasagar University and my department Botany and Forestry second semester. This is first tour in my life. No idea the educational tour. It is found here. Gymnosperm, Bhangi, Rhizophore, Silagenella, etc. And thankful my respected Professor Amol Kumar Mondal sir and research scholar Dada. Thank you.
Good afternoon. I am Manjula Maiti, student of Botany, Department of Botany and Forestry of Vidyasagar University. We came Lava, Lolegaon, Darjeeling on 11th May for our educational tour. After a long crisis, lockdown crisis, we first time we first time came here for a long educational tour. Our respected sir, Professor Amol Kumar Mondol, and his scholars and seniors, brothers, they help us for gaining gaining our knowledge. Excursion field, it is botanical knowledge is incomplete. Even when we are going by car, many different places, sir and scholars saw many different types of plants, even unknown plants. They stopped the car and we all visit the plants closely. We all took photographs for documentary. We didn't take any. We didn't collect any plants for herbarium, because we didn't want the destroy the plant. We want save the plant.
and we saw many different types of plant like lichen, orchids, pteridophyte, bryophyte, parasite, hemiparasite, and many different type of unknown plants. We enjoyed very much, and we want again to come here for educational excursion with sir. Sir help us. Sir and research scholars and senior dadas helps us very much, and I like to thank all of them, especially sir and my mentor Urpita, Maiti sister. Thank you.
I am Subhas Mandal, Department of Botany and Forestry of Vidyasagar University, and I am a student of second semester student. And I visit Darjeeling, Lolegaon, especially Lloyd Botanical Garden. According to as our department teacher previously told that, according to Dr. Jan, it is the place of cradle of angiosperm. And we visit the place today, and I think the place. I think the time is 11 to 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. And I'm especially thankful to sir for identifying the specimen, and also angiosperm, gymnosperm, and fungi, some fungi, and especially in bryophyte and in Lloyd Botanical Garden, especially in angiosperm. So sir, thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Vidyasagar, student of second semester of Botany and Forestry of Vidyasagar University. I come to Darjeeling, Lolegaon for educational excursion under the supervision of our sir, Professor Amol Kumar Mondal. In this tour, I have learned many species, and our sir helped us to identify the species. And in this tour, I gained knowledge about plants, and I enjoyed the whole tour very much. And our sir, this tour could not have been possible without sir. For this, I am very grateful and thankful to our sir and our all seniors and mentor, and also thanks to our tour guide for this beautiful tour arrangement. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone, myself Indrajit Sahu. I am studying in MSc second sem of Vidyasagar University at subject Botany and Forestry Department. We are came to the very beautiful excursion about the planetary date at Darjeeling and Lava excursion. We are very thankful to our department's respected sir, Professor Dr. Amol Kumar Mondal, and research scholars, and also
I am Apurachita Bhuti, a student of second semester of Department of Botany and Forestry of Vidyasagar University. Today I want to share my opinion about our educational excursion under our from our department in Labha, Darjeeling and adjoining areas, under our respected professor cum guider, Professor Amol Kumar Mondal sir, with his research scholars and our senior from 4th semester. This is the first excursion from our department after a long term of COVID situation. So we feel very lucky as well as happy to with our excursion, which enriched us a vast knowledge from botanical aspects, and we want more this type of educational tour next time also, so that we enriched ourselves more and more about our subjects. And lastly, I want to convey my gratitude to our Professor Amol Kumar Mondal sir for his beautiful guidance. Thank you.
I am Sonali Sahu, Department of Botany, student of second semester of Vidyasagar University. We come to visit as per syllabus Lava, Lolegaon, Darjeeling, Rishyap, and adjoining area. I want to say my opinion about this excursion.
Under our respected Professor Sir Amol Kumar Sir and his research scholar and senior Dada 4th semester. This is first tour after COVID situation, so I am very happy and excited. Encourage us our sir and research scholar and senior Dada. Only not I am, but we all are encouraged with huge knowledge. Encouraged our knowledge that help in future. So this type of tour again and again later. Thank you.
Good afternoon, respected teachers and research scholars and seniors and classmates. I want to share the excursion for Darjeeling, Lava and Mirik. You are the really amazing and enjoy the educational tour. Professor Amol Kumar Sir is the rich in the plant identity knowledge. You are the best and very good experience.
My name is Urmili Singh. I was from Vidyasagar University, second semester, Botany and Forestry. We are come to educational excursion, Lava, Darjeeling, Lolegaon, Kalimpong. I gather knowledge about plant like bryophyta, pteridophyta, gymnosperm, orchid. Our respected teacher Professor Amol Kumar Mondol, very helpful and friendly. Bryophyta, orchid. Our department research scholars and 4th semester batch brothers. Many helps this excursion. I am very helpful and this excursion enjoy. Thank you.
I am Rishyap. I am the student of Vidyasagar University, second sem Botany student. Here we come for our educational tour with our respected teacher Amol Kumar Mondol. Here we visit many places: Lava, Lolegaon, Kalimpong and Darjeeling. Here we learn about many plants with the help of our respected sir Amol Kumar Mondol, and he describes many plants. And I want to thanks all our teacher and research scholar and also our elder brothers and our classmates.
Hello, good afternoon. My name is Suparna Porer. I started Vidyasagar University. My department Botany and Forestry. This is my first experience. This our visit Lava, Lolegaon, Darjeeling, Kalimpong, and visit our biophyte, pteridophyte, gymnosperm, etc. This experience are Dr. Professor Amol Kumar Mondol. Thanks, good opportunity. Thank you so much.
Hi, good afternoon everyone. I am Shomadip Bera, Department of Botany and Forestry, BSc second sem. It was a nice experience about our educational excursion with the help of our senior guider and our respected sir Professor Amol Kumar Mondol and our research scholar and our guider and mentor. Just very thankful to our respected sir Professor Amol Kumar Mondol. It was nice experience about our Darjeeling and Lava, Lolegaon. This tour. So thankful to everyone and thank you.
Somattam Bera, and I am from Vidyasagar. I am from the Department of Botany and Forestry, Vidyasagar University. We come here for an educational excursion under the supervision of Professor Amol Kumar Mondol. here lava, Lolegaon and Darjeeling. We have found here many more bryophytes, angiosperms and other some algae, lichens, etc. And sir, Darjeeling is an very enriched bryophyte vegetation, and I would really thank to Professor Amol Kumar Mandal and scholars.
Okay. Good afternoon, sir and my beloved friends. To giving this opportunity, I am visited the place, and my supervision sir is Amol Kumar Mandal. I visited the lava, Lolegaon, Darjeeling, and I studied so many plants like biophyte, teratophyte, angiosperm, gymnosperm, and also found some fungi, lichen, etc. Thanks, sir. Good afternoon.
Mondal, student of the Botany Department from Vidyasagar University. At first, I want to thank our respected and beloved Sir Professor Amol Kumar Mondal, who took all these responsibilities on his hand to make this excursion successful as well as enjoyable and informational basis. And we visited lots of area like Lava, Botanical Garden, Mirik and Rishyap, and especially Mirik, which I love the most. And we learned a lot of new species, also rare species from this excursion, which would not have been possible without sir. And also I want to thank our research scholar Dada and Didi, especially my mentor Indra Maiti and my leader Orifta Di. Thank you.
Student of Botany and Forestry Department, second sem, BU University. Behind every successful student there is a successful sir. So I would like to, at first I like to thank our beloved and respected sir, Professor Amol Kumar sir, and our researcher Dada and Didi for arranging this tour after a huge lockdown to Darjeeling, Lava and the surrounding places. Nature plays an important role in our study. So I personally thank sir to give this opportunity to visit these tremendous nature, tremendous beautiful places. And I personally enrich my knowledge by this, and sir give us his 100% knowledge to give us to some beautiful knowledge. And in this area we not only found gymnosperm and angiosperm but also lower group of plants like algae, teratophytes, biophytes and many more. And we identify many unknown species. So thank you very much, and I like to visit again and again with this team. Thank you.
My name is Forestry. I am from Vidyasagar University, MSc in Botany, second sem. I am from Lava, Lolegaon, Kurseong, Kalipong and Darjeeling. Our respected teacher, Professor Amol Kumar Mandal, very helpful and friendly. Sir learn about more plants name and plants details like bryophyte, teratophyte, gymnosperm and angiosperm. Our department research scholars are very helpful. I thanks a lot. And our second and fourth sem brothers are very helpful this excursion. I am happy this excursion and learn about things. Thank you.
From Vidyasagar University, Department of Botany and Forestry. In our educational excursions, our sir Professor Amol Kumar Mandal, we are go an educational excursion in Darjeeling and Lava. There we see botanical garden or many plant species like teratophyte, angiosperm, biophyte, gymnosperms like gymnosperm living fossils, ginkgo biloba, and we see many endangered species. And our sir innovated and fungi, new fungi species. We enriched by these excursions. We enrich our knowledge by this excursion. I also thankful our sir, to sir and our and scholars, PhD scholars, Dada, and our friends. Thank you.
Today, really glad I might to have this green platform to say my feelings on this botanical excursion. Well, I am Papia Maiti, student of second semester of Botany and Forestry, Department of Vidyasagar University. After a long lockdown period, this is our first excursion. I want to share my opinion about this green excursion. In this excursion, I enriched my knowledge from our respected Professor Amol Kumar Mondal about botanical aspects like gymnosperm, angiosperm, bryophytes, algae and fungi also. And not only I am, we all are enriched our knowledge which help us in future. And I also want this type of excursion next time. Thank you. Have a great day.
Good afternoon. Myself Sucharita Patro, student of Department Botany Forestry at Vidyasagar University. We came here for the botanical excursion after such a long COVID situation with our respected sir, Professor Amol Kumar Mondal, and our senior scholar Dada Didis, and our fourth semester special paper students. As we know that southern part of West Bengal is enriched in plant biodiversity. That's why, but we are because of that we are not that capable to identify the plant, all the plant species. Our respected sir, Professor Amol Kumar sir, help us to identify the plant species, and we learn lot about our subject, and we found lot of different type of plant species that we have never seen before. We are thankful to our sir, Professor Amol Kumar Mondal, and our group leader Dhiman Mondal, and our scholar Dada Didis. Thank you.
Good evening to our respectable sir, Professor Amol Kumar Mondal, and also good evening our friends and research elder brother and sister. I am Kurseong, a student of Department of Botany and Forestry, Vidyasagar University. I also went to a tour, excursion tour of the Lava, Darjeeling and Lolegaon. I also know the necessary and the expenditure of the tour, and during the lockdown period I cannot able to make a tour, so I did not know the practical value of the nature, which is very important in our study. So after lockdown period, we also tried, especially our professor Dr. Amol Kumar Mondal. Thank you, sir, to give opportunity for excursion to further learning about the practical value or the study of the nature in the lab of nature. And we also seen in lava about different bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperm, angiosperm, algae and other different plants. And we also at last reached in Darjeeling, and we also reached in the Lolegaon Botanical Garden. In Lolegaon Botanical Garden, we also show the different plants. And how I surprised that how many plants are present in the nature. I did not know. And by the help or by the supervisions of our respectable sir, Professor Amol Kumar Mondal, and our research elder brother, especially the Dhiman Mondal, we also make an educational tour in Lava, Lolegaon and Darjeeling. And I pleased to know the different plants if we present in our nature, and we also know the different value. This is the medicinal value and other environmental value, which is also help to make an environment properly. And we also take a photographs of the different plants which we also see in the Lava, Darjeeling and Lolegaon, and we also make a documentary files with the different pictures, and we also a big learning to visit the whole place of the Lava, Darjeeling and Lolegaon. So thank you at last. Again thank you our beloved sir, respectable sir, Dr. Professor Amol Kumar Mondol, and our beloved scholar, elder brother and elder sister. Thank you very much. Good evening. Okay.
So hello everyone, my name is Intoatto. I am a student of Botany and Forestry, Department of Botany and Forestry at Vidyasagar University. So we visited today, actually just in 3 days, we visited the northeastern part of our West Bengal, specifically the Lava, Lolegaon and Darjeeling part. So we visited this place as an educational tour, and on the guidance of our sir, Amol Kumar Mondal, and also our we have the support of our research scholars and also the 4th semester special students. And we just visited right now the Queen of Hills Darjeeling and also we see just many so we visited the Queen of Hills Darjeeling, and we just saw many kind of diversity of plants in this time, and we just saw bryophytes, pteridophytes and gymnosperm, angiosperm, and we can see that the best diversity of a hotspot is seen in here, the now northeastern part, and we very thankful for that our sir suggested that part for our educational tool. And also we just want said that we can be part of other excursion for the more knowledge, and also the travel agency we just got is really good. The food quality and their behavior actually is very good, and I am grateful about that everything that we got from this tour. Thank you so much.
Hi, I am Momita Sonigrhi, student of 2nd semester of Botany and Forestry Department of Vidyasagar University. I came on this tour with my respected teacher, Professor Amol Kumar Mondol, and our senior research scholar and our whole Botany 2nd semester group. I learned a lot of things about my subject and visited different places like Lava, Lolegaon, Kurseong, Rishyap, Darjeeling, and I found and identify a lot of species like angiosperm, pteridophytes, gymnosperm, fungi, algae, with the help of our respected teacher Professor Amol Kumar Mondol. So I am very thankful to sir to organizing such beautiful and tremendous excursion for us. Without sir, these types of excursion is impossible. And I also again thankful to sir for this tour, since our research scholar, especially our mentor Dhiman Mondol. Thank you.
Good morning, myself Rimpa Berar, MSc 2nd semester, Department Botany and Forestry from Vidyasagar University. After the lockdown, it is my first educational tour, and we have gained many new concepts and knowledge from our respected sir Amol Kumar Mondol and all research scholars. We are seeing new plants and very inspire us. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, I am Tania Giri, MSc in Botany, Vidyasagar University, Department of Botany and Forestry. Excursion is very important in our subject. Our present excursion location, Lava, Lolegaon, Darjeeling and adjoining area is very rich in lower groups of plants and as well as in primitive angiosperms. So this excursion give knowledge about these valuable plants, and our teacher Professor Amol Kumar Mondol properly explained about these species we have found, and it is very helpful to increase our knowledge. And thanks to all the research scholars and our teacher Professor Amal Kumar Mondol and seniors and the tourist guides. Thank you.
Myself Deepshika Kotal, second semester student of Botany and Forestry Department of Vidyasagar University. We are here for educational excursion in Lava, Darjeeling, Lolegaon and Mirik under the supervision of our respected Professor Amal Kumar Mondol and research scholars. We found different plant species. We found different plant species at different places with the help of Professor Amal Kumar Mondol and our group leader Dhiman Da. And we are found a bryophyte, algae, angiosperm in different places. And thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Sumanta Chakraborty. I am a student of Department of Botany and Forestry at Vidyasagar University. We came here for a botanical excursion after the endemic period at Lava, Lolegaon, Darjeeling and Mirik with our respected sir, Professor Amal Kumar Mondol, our respected seniors, my friends and the tour operator. As we all know that the northeast part of the India is highly enriched in plant diversity. So we learned a lot about ancient angiosperms, gymnosperms, bryophyte, pteridophyte and algae. I am very grateful to have Professor Amal Kumar Mondol as a leader of our group, and I am also thankful to our group operator, our senior Dada and my friends for that lovable and knowledgeable experience. Thank you.
Good morning to all. Myself Monisha Dhauria, MSc in Botany, Department of Botany and Forestry, Vidyasagar University. Our present excursion place Lava, Lolegaon, Darjeeling and adjoining areas is very rich with lower group plant and also primitive angiosperm. So this excursion give knowledge about these valuable plants, and my respected sir Professor Amal Kumar Mondol explained properly about plant species we found. So it is very helpful to increase my knowledge about botany. Thank you.
Hello, good afternoon to all. I am Anjali Singh, MSc second semester student, Vidyasagar University from Department of Botany and Forestry. We visited Lava, Lolegaon, Darjeeling, Mirik and adjoining area where we know about many plant species and enrich about many lower groups of plants and gymnosperm with the help of our respected teacher Professor Amal Kumar Mondol and the scholar Dada and our friends. Thank you to our beloved sir Professor Amal Kumar Mondol for this excursion and the tour guider and also and the scholars are also helpful for this excursion. Thank you.
Good afternoon to all. Myself Ritika Mahato. I am from Vidyasagar University, Department of Botany and Forestry. Excursion is most important thing in our education. So we came to Lava, Lolegaon, Darjeeling and the adjoining area for our educational excursion. We enrich lots of knowledge about the large diversity of those areas with the help of our respected sir Professor Amal Kumar Mondol and our research scholar Dada and Didi and our senior and also our classmates. So I am thankful to all of them. Thank you.
I am Priyanka Mondol from Vidyasagar University, MSc, Department of Botany and Forestry. We came to Lava, Lolegaon, Darjeeling, Mirik, Rishyap and adjoining area for our educational excursion.
We enrich lots of knowledge about the large diversity of the area, large diversity of this area. We cannot collect any plant. We take photograph in geotag for our future field report. I am very thankful to our respected sir, Professor Amal Kumar Mondal, for properly explain us about many plants, and also thankful to our senior brothers and tour guider, also our classmates. This is my first excursion in my life, and I want this type of excursion in life, in future. Thank you.
Good afternoon. Myself Sekatar Ali, studying in MSc Botany second sem in Vidyasagar University. Last 11th May we had an excursion, and excursion makes a very important role in botany department, and we got so many species like bryophytes, angiosperm, gymnosperm, like huge. And as Taktajan says, these area are the cradle of angiosperm, and we visit Lavha, Lolegaon, Darjeeling, and adjoining area, and thanks to our respected Professor Sir Amal Kumar Mondal, and thanks to our scholar Dadas and Didis who makes a very important role in this excursion to make it happen. Yeah, excursion was too energetic, too good and enjoyable. Thank you.
Student of MSc second semester, Department of Botany and Forestry, Vidyasagar University. It is my first excursion. It is my first excursion with my study, and our respected sir, Professor Amal Kumar Mondal. Without the field botany, incomplete. I also, it is very helpful to my study. I also gain knowledge, planned about more and more by this excursion. Our respected sir, Professor Amal Kumar Mondal, has explained properly about the species that we found during the field. I also thankful our teacher, Sir Professor Amal Kumar Mondal, and research scholars. So thank you.
Hello, myself Ayush Singh, student of Botany and Forestry, MSc 4th sem of Vidyasagar University. We came to the Lavha, Lolegaon, Darjeeling on a 6 days botanical excursion. We encountered rare and unique plant species that are not only surviving dominantly but also adds to the biodiversity of this hilly region, like indicators like Erigeronia, Erigeronia, and pendanans, and liverworts like Markensia and Dumorsiera, living fossils like Texas and Ginkgo biloba. There are also other plant species which were dominant over this region. We encountered rare and unique plant species that were not only dominant but also adds to the biodiversity of these regions, like indicators like Equisetum, Erigeronia, and liverworts like Markensia and Dumorsiera, and living fossils like Texas and Ginkgo biloba. Is necessary to extend our basic book knowledge. Therefore, it is important for our proper education. It is an important part of our education.
না তাহলে থ্যাংক ইউ বলতে পারিস।
হ্যাঁ
I'm lucky to have come in presence of our respected sir, Professor Amal Kumar Mondal, and have a part of his experience to have come in and share his knowledge. As a student of botany, as much as I love the plant species, I also support the idea to preserve natural habitat and not to destroy for the sake of it. I want to thank Professor Amal Kumar Mondal and our Vice Chancellor, Professor Shivaji Botim Basu, to give us an opportunity for an extraordinary excursion. And I want to thank again our juniors, our PhD scholars and our batchmates for participating in this excursion and make it a great success. Thank you.
Student of Department of Botany and Forestry, Vidyasagar University. We came to Labha, Lolegaon, Darjeeling, adjoining areas for our excursion. We enrich our knowledge about the different species, and with the help of our Professor Amal Kumar Mondal, and he gathered our knowledge about biophyte, pteridophytes, and gymnosperm, and mostly angiosperms. He gave our opportunity to this kind of field visit, and we also thanks our research scholars and our tour guides and juniors for this excursion is successful. So and this excursion mainly visit different places for mostly different kind of species find in the hilly regions, and we cannot touch destroy any species for our herbarium. We should take picture for correction of data. So this type of excursion is for our knowledge and is very helpful. And I also thanks to this type of excursion is next field which I want to decide again.
Hello, myself Vidyasagar, student of 4th semester MSc Botany, Department of Botany and Forestry, special paper Angiosperm Taxonomy and Molecular Systematics under the supervision of Professor Amal Kumar Mondal. We are in Darjeeling for CCT Botanical Excursion. Basically, our university is located in plain region, and we grew up in plain region. So, in this excursion, our main objective is what are the different vegetation found in hilly region, because our hilly region have different climatic and edaphic factors that influence their vegetation, and our location is a plain, so there are different climatic effect and also vegetation. So we visited in hilly region for this purpose mainly. Our respected teacher Professor Amal Kumar Mondal, he shared his experience and knowledge about hilly region because he spent his 5 years for teaching purpose in Darjeeling Government College, and he also showed us different group of plants like lichen, usnea that have a food body, and castose lichen, bryophyte, different species of Markensia, Piscia, and also he showed us Conocephalus conicum, that is the second largest liverwort, and it have horseshoe-like gamma cup, and also he showed us Dumorsia, it is the sporeless liverwort, and also showed different pteridophyte like silver pteris and diopteris selaginella. It have super regeneration power, and also he showed us the most important is the welcome pteris, that is Glycania, that welcome us in hilly region Digha. This hilly region Darjeeling. This Darjeeling is the queen of hill, and Darjeeling belongs to the group of hill region that is the biodiversity hotspot Eastern Himalaya. And also we saw a different group of gymnosperm, that is Pinus, Cycas, and most important is Ginkgo biloba, that is known as the living fossil. And also he showed us taxa that have antioxidant properties and it used as a cancer cure. And also showed us different group of angiosperm, mainly the snake-like mimicry found in snake plant and primitive angiosperm tocodendron. It formed the cone, and also rhododendron. And also our teacher showed us different historical places in sense of botanical historical places like Hooker Road, Hooker House, and also Lloyd Botanical Garden. Sir Joseph Dalton Hooker is the most famous botanist in British and also worldwide, and he worked in Darjeeling for 3 years. He started his studies 1848 and up to 1851, and his workable thing are stored in Lloyd Botanical Garden. So in this thing we saw it and enriched, and I saw first time different pieces that was read in book but not seen in before it. So I am very thankful, and finally in this excursion I am 100% satisfied. And I also give a message to our junior students that have botanical background or also natural science background. Please visit any phytogeographical region, and that help you your practical knowledge and also your subject knowledge. And in this region you can visit many phytogeographical regions. And I thank to our supervisor Professor Amal Kumar Mondal. He enrich us for practical and also theoretical knowledge. And also thank to our Vice Chancellor Professor Shivaji Pratam Basu to give us permit for this type of excursion. And thank to our research scholar elder brother and sister to help us, and also thank to our second semester student for cooperate us, and thank to our tour agency for give us this type of comfortable journey. Thank you all.
Respected sir, Professor Amal Kumar Mondal, and research scholar Dada Didi, and my friends and juniors. Myself Amit Patro from Vidyasagar University, MSc 4th semester, Department of Botany and Forestry, special paper Angiosperm taxonomy and molecular systematics. An excursion brings us compactly close to nature. Without field visit, botany is incomplete. Our present excursion place, Lava, Lolegaon, Darjeeling, and its adjoining area, is very rich with lower groups of plants and also primitive angiosperm. So this excursion give knowledge about this type of plant species. And my respective sir, Professor Amal Kumar Mondal, explained properly about this type of plant species we are found. So it is very helpful to increase my knowledge about taxonomy as well as botany. Thank you, sir. Thank you, research scholar Dada Didi and tour guide. Thank you all.
Good morning to all. Myself Supervisor Mondal, Botany and Forestry, Vidyasagar University. At first, I thank to my respected teacher, Professor Amal Kumar Mondal. Then I thanks to my to our elder research scholar and our juniors. We are there in Darjeeling, Lolegaon and adjoining area from 11th May to 16th May for an educational tour. There we got some bryophyte, pteridophyte, angiosperm and gymnosperm, and also we got some algae and fungi. So I think it was a great tour for us. I especially thanks to our Honorable Vice Chancellor Professor Shivaji Pratam Basu to permit us for an educational tour. I think every student need 4 to 5 educational tour per year for his better study. Thank you.
Hello, myself Santanu Saran. I am from Vidyasagar University, Department of Botany and Forestry. First of all, I deliver my thanks to my respected professor, Professor Amal Kumar Mondal. And today we are here in educational excursion for 6 days, 11th May to 16th May. And this type of excursion is my first excursion in these regions like Lava, Lolegaon, Darjeeling, and we have visited many other places. And finally, our respected sir, Professor Mondal, Professor Mondal give us too much knowledge to enrich our knowledge, and he showed us many plant species like Deldinia. Deldinia is a proteinaceous fungi. It's a edible fungi, and we also got Polygonum and many other plant species. And finally, we got a Taxus bracata plant that produce antioxidant property that help us to cure for cancer disease. And finally, we got Dumurciara plant. This is a liver oat plant, and this plant has intracellular space for gaseous exchange. And and our professor showed Ginkgo biloba plant, which is living fossil, and this plant is emotions of every botany student and professor. And finally, I delivered my thanks to our Vice Chancellor of Vidyasagar University for giving us permission for this journey. And finally, I thank to my respected Professor Amal Kumar Mondal, and our respected seniors, our research scholars, and our juniors. Thank you.
Good morning, myself Sheikh Rashidul Islam, research scholar of plant taxonomy, biosystematics and molecular taxonomy laboratory, Department of Botany and Forestry, Vidyasagar University, under the supervision Professor Amal Kumar Mondal. I am thankful to Vice Chancellor Sir Professor Shivaji Pratum Basu, Vidyasagar University, for a big opportunity and big responsibility in this educational excursion. This is the first field visit after COVID-19 pandemic situation, Department of Botany and Forestry. We have visited several places, Lava, Lolegaon and Darjeeling with adjoining area, and we have collected different plant species like angiosperm and lower group like liverwort, hornwort and mosses, and also we have collected different plant fossil. Particularly this excursion, botanical excursion, and we have gathered huge knowledge. And
good morning everyone. Today is quite nice day to memorize the moments of Lava, Lolegaon, Darjeeling and adjoining areas for the educational excursion. I am Dhiman Mandal, research scholar at Plant Taxonomy, Biosystematics and Molecular Taxonomy Laboratory, Department of Botany and Forestry, Vidyasagar University. It was a quite pleasant experience with my supervisor, MSc 4th Sem and 2nd Sem student. As a field helper, I am associated with this tour. The students were very cooperative and nice throughout our excursion. After a long COVID-19 pandemic situation, we set out for the educational excursion for the first time with my supervisor sir, Professor Amal Kumar Mondal. We had a previous great experience in field study with him in the regions of Southwest Bengal. I am associated with this tour. I also regained my old MSc memories with them, and it was a great fun and great experience with the students with them also. Especially Madam Maitra and Minmoida from Path Adventure Private Limited, they make the tour memorable for everyone, and their cooperation is unforgettable. Thanks to everyone. Thank you. Thank you.